just landed in Colombo and I'm really excited. We're just getting off to where my friend lives. I'm doing a homestay in the first stop in Colombo, and it's an hour away from the airport. And I found a nice guy who's telling me all of the words in Sri Lankan. Okay, what was it again? You said thank you was...
Thank you means Hyundai.
Say it again?
Hyundai.
Is it Mundai?
Hyundai.
Mundai.
Hyundai.
Okay, what other words do I need to know?
How are you means Komada.
Omada.
Komada.
How would I say excuse me?
Excuse me.
Or please or something?
Please. Like this, huh?
Please?
Please means Podak Ida denna.
Oh,
Karunakara.
that's a hard one. Can you say it slowly?
Karunakara.
Karunakara.
Yeah.
Karunakara. And that's please.
Yeah.
Karunakara. I will remember it. Hi, Lebna.
Hello.
Look here.
Welcome to Colombo.
So we're in the masjid in Colombo. What is the name of this the mosque?
Masjid Jamiatul Alfa Masjid Red Mosque.
The Red Mosque.
Jamiatul Alfa Masjid.
Alfa Masjid.
Yes,
Ah.
Red Mosque.
MashaAllah.
Al-Jami' al-Adfar is also known as the Red Mosque for its color from the outside. It's considered the largest mosque in Sri Lanka. It started in the 19th century, but extensions are still in progress right now, as you can see in the video. And you can also read more about the details and how it started, plus before and after images on their website, and I'm going to link it below in the description. On the way from the mosque, as we were driving in the tuk-tuk, I saw like all these flags and the temple, and I just had to go down, and I'm so glad I did, because that turned out to be the only temple I visited in the whole of Sri Lanka. That's the only one that actually didn't care that I was wearing a headscarf, and they were like, okay, go ahead. Like, there wasn't even anybody. It was very local. People were praying. It felt really great just going there and seeing that cultural diversity. There were a few more stops on the way from the mosque and the temple, so I stopped by the park first and then the Independence Memorial Hall, as you will see coming up. The day I spent in Colombo was a really nice chilled out day, so I did like a little bit of touring around the city and seeing everything that could be seen. And the next day I headed to Galle, which is a coastal city, and I just took the train, as you'll see like in some of the videos. But the problem with the train ride, I got a first class, and in the first class you can't open the windows, so I didn't really get great pictures. But I really enjoyed the breakfast in Galle and just walking around by the beach. It was just so relaxing, and I'm so glad I went. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.